Using Instacart gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop for groceries and other items easily. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start shopping. Step 1. Create or log into your Instacart account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Step 2. Go to the account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Add Gift Card. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option that says Add Gift Card or Redeem Gift Card. Click on this option to proceed with entering your gift card information. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully type in the gift card code found on the card or in the email you received. Make sure there are no typos, as this could prevent the card from being redeemed successfully. After entering the code, click on the Redeem button. Step 5. Start shopping. Once your gift card has been successfully redeemed, the balance will be added to your account. You can now start shopping for groceries and other items. When checking out, the gift card balance will automatically be applied to your order total. Now you are ready to enjoy your shopping experience with Instacart using your gift card. Happy shopping!